Hey everybody, and welcome back to the TheMindCatcher's channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some products from Zanzi Cosmetics. It's a fairly new company. I'm going to leave all of their information down below. So we're going to play around with one of their palettes. We're also going to play around with some of their lip creams, and we're going to see how that works out. Before you leave this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, share the videos, and check out my new Cyber Kisses merch. So let's get started. Hey friends, so today we're going to be using the Zuri palette. That's what it looks like. Very pretty packaging, and this is from a company called Zanzi Cosmetics. Hopefully I already did an intro for you guys. This I don't believe is a black owned company. It was made with black people or people of color in mind, because the pigmentation on all of this is very, very vibrant. They wanted it to show up on our skin tones. Okay, they also have lipsticks, and I'll show you guys some of the pictures that I put online of the lipsticks and the swatches and all of that stuff. So pretty decent. I haven't put them on my lips yet. I'm going to attempt to do a look using their products. I'm looking here in this palette, and even though the colors are very bright and vibrant, I still want to put on a primer and a base just because I have oily lids. So let's do that. I'm going to be using my, I'll use my Urban Decay primer potion for that. I'm going to apply the base. This is the Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. The first shade I'm going to go into is this lighter brown. It's called Obsession. And I'm just going to use a Sigma Buff and Blend brush, the E39. So that is the first shade. I'm pretty pleased with that, the pigmentation. The shades have a very strange consistency. When you rub them, I don't know, it feels kind of like wet. Very strange. It feels very, very strange. It looks nice pressed. I'm not going to say they're blendable. Like if you get a blending brush and you try to blend it out on top of a base, it doesn't seem like it's going to blend very, very, very well. But pressed on, like what I just did, I pretty much stamped the color on. It does show up very vivid and nice that way. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna try some more. Let's go a little lighter right above it. I'm gonna use the color Sensual Saffron. I'm gonna go with that yellow right there. And I'm going to use a Coastal Scents blending brush for that. I just wanna see if I'm able to blend. You are seeing a little yellow showing up. Now mind you, that's more like blending, moving the brush around. That's not stamping. And then I'm trying to blend the two together. It seems like they're blending a bit. You do see a definite line here between the yellow and the brown. It's definitely going to take some work to blend. But I'm loving the colors. I'm very happy that this yellow shows up on my skin. A lot of yellows need a lot of base to show up on darker skin tones. So, Alright guys, so I placed that yellow at the top, and I'm going back into Obsession and just deepen that shade a little more. Because once you blend, sometimes you blend away certain shades. You want to bring it back. As we're going to go into the shade Deep Desire, and that's a darker brown. And you do see that shade showing up there. And I go back into my transition shades around it. Okay, so I'm going to use, I think, the same concealer. No, I'll use the NYX Skin Base to cut my crease a bit. This is definitely not going to be soft glam today. So we're going to cut our crease. I'm using a Bodyography Pro Angled Liner Brush. I'm going to go into the shade Diva right here. It's a sparkly, like copper color. Very pretty. Let's see what it looks like on the lid. I'm going to be using a Sigma short shader, the E20. Now these shades break apart. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but when you touch them, they started crumbling in the palette, so be very careful. This is one of those situations where I would say definitely do your eyes first if you're going to use one of those shades. It's very glittery and crumbly. So we're going to press it on. As a matter of fact, this is one of those shades I should have used a glitter glue with, I think. Let me put a little bit of glitter glue there. I have Shadow Insurance, what is that, Too Faced glitter glue. I'm just going to use the back of my tweezers to put a little glue up there, give it something to stick to. So that looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to say it wasn't any work. You saw it was some work. But it is pretty. It's very, very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and finished out this eye with my Makeup Forever black gel liner. That's what it looks like. I also added on a lash, and this is the LA Colors Lash in 976 Diva. That's the one I like from them. So very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye here on camera. And I'm using a Sigma eyeliner brush. This is a E10. Okay, I will tell you guys the glitter shadows are a little hard to put gel liner over, so just a heads up, because when I went back in that direction, I was going this way, it was fine, and when I went back to fill in the little gap, I saw a flake fly off and the black came off with it. Okay, so I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara on my lashes, try to get some of that dust off my lash. I'm using Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I'm just applying some more primer to my bottom lash line because I did tear up a bit and I had to wipe everything away with a wet wipe. So I'm putting some more down there. And I like to apply my eyeliner and everything before I do my face. So let's go on the waterline with a little black. Down here at the bottom lash line, I'm going back into the shade Obsession. That's the lighter brown. And basically I'm just copying all the shades I have here on the top lid. Going into that deeper brown right up here. Alright, you guys know how I get my lashes to pop down there. I'm going to use some CoverGirl primer. This is their lash primer. And I allow that to sit on my lashes until the very end of my makeup look. And then I apply mascara. Alright guys, for my lips I'm going to be using Palladio's Coffee lip liner. And I'm going to try out this shade Femme Fatale from their line. It looks like a bright orange red tone. Let's see. Okay guys, so I am back. The lips are very, very, very matte. Very matte. So I'm going to add a little bit of gloss to my lip. But they are very pigmented. You can build them up. They don't start cracking and creasing when you're building them up. So very nice. Okay, overall, I like everything. I'm not going to say I love everything yet, but I do like everything. The palette took a little doing, but I was able to come out with this look. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to leave all of Zanzi Cosmetics information down below. I may come back and try out some of their foundations. If I find one that really, you know, matches my skin tone pretty well, I'll come back and show you guys some of those. And that is it. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year and Cyber Kisses. Bye.